Ooh. Oh my gosh, look, babe.
Sí.
Mmm.
Muy rico.
Oh, yes. Okay, let's see.
Yes.
Oh my
¿Le
goodness.
pongo?
Sí, sí. Oh, yes.
¿Así está bien?
Gracias. Sí,
¿O más?
sí, sí.
¿Quiere otro tenedor? ¿Otro tenedor?
No, thank you. No, gracias.
Esta.
Delicioso.
Sí, delicioso. Es al estilo veracruzano.
All right, it is day 4 on our Puerto Vallarta trip, and got a little bit of late start. They had to fix the refrigerator in our Airbnb, but we went ahead and got that straight. Now we're walking to a flea market. It's about 9 minutes away walk, so come along and walk with us. We are in Zona Romantica, and we're about about 10-minute walk from the beach. So we are just, well, obviously we're east of the beach. You on a zip line, buddy?
I just filled up and happened to see a jaguar. And when that happened, we knew he
Why does this look so far?
was
It literally looks so far.
What, this river?
Correct.
Well, this is, yeah, it's one, I guess.
Oh, well, let's just go to the other one.
Oh, well, I guess it's it, because look, it's having us go around. Like, it's like right here, kind of this whole area. So it looks like we're here. We can just go right and around. What is HLF mean? HLF? Those initials? I see it on the shirt, I just don't know what it means.
We forget about that.
Oh, look. Are you gonna go that way? Or this way? I love the trees here, you know.
Guys, I think I saw a cat.
Oh, this is nice. In the shade. Can't get any better than this.
Pásale, señor. Welcome.
Welcome. Buenos dias.
You got your eye on all those trees. Watch yourself. Tree trunk.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Pasta homemade.
Oh, wow.
I have lasagna, Italian sausage, gnocchis,
Ooh.
and different pasta sauce.
Oh, my goodness. Hola, buenos dias. I like the hat.
Thank you.
All kinds of hummus.
No, I'm good. Oh, look at the baggage, the bag
For
tag.
love, thank you. It's a notebook.
Do you have little jewelry boxes or? Oh, okay. Hey, Gloria. Is something like this for mom too small? Or she'd need a bigger one, right?
Yeah, bigger one.
Okay. Gracias.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Jam
Oh,
and
I
honey.
saw.
Oh, cheeses. Oh, got cracked cheese. Lavinia. Pardon.
That's okay. Of course, that's the one I wanted.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here, you want it back now.
Okay.
From goat or what?
I don't know, you have to ask them. But they have good cheese.
Yes, they do.
Okay, what else can I spend money on?
Yeah, exactly. We're just getting here. We're just trying to figure out where to start.
I manage this market and I still manage to spend like 500 pesos every Saturday. If not more. Well, because I come and get fresh cheese every Saturday and I get, you know, fresh bagels and then I have to get my caramelized pecans over here on the end.
They look
I have to have my candied nuts when I go to bed at night. You see, now I lay in bed and I get the nuts to you.
That's a good idea.
Tamales?
Oh, they're really good. They're
Oh,
thank you.
Which are also very
Oh, sorry.
There you go. De nada.
Tamales.
Oh, I see. Oh, yes. I want to try one.
No, no de pechuga. La pierna en Costco hay un paquete de 3. Cuesta como 350.
Hola. Hola. Hello. Tamales?
sí.
There you go.
She's
There she is.
I love your dress. Your dress.
¿Bonita?
No, que le gusta
Ay,
su estilo.
gracias. Ah, sí, gracias.
Gracias.
Ahorita le doy su cambio.
No.
¿Está bien?
Y todo. Ajá.
Ay, muchísimas gracias. Allá hay salsa.
Salsa right there. Okay.
Sí, aquí hay servilleta.
Gracias.
Si gusta salsa o acá.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, look, babe.
Sí, muy rico.
Oh, yes. Okay, let's
¿Le pongo?
Sí, sí. Oh, yes.
¿Así está bien?
Gracias.
¿O
Sí,
más?
sí, sí.
¿Quiere otro tenedor? ¿Otro tenedor?
No, thank you. No gracias.
Esta.
Delicioso.
Sí, delicioso. Es al estilo veracruzano.
Is it good? Well, it sounds good.
Oh, yeah.
Thank
Gracias.
you, gracias. Muchas gracias.
Yum.
Thank you, gracias. Que les vaya muy bien.
Oh, it is good. I haven't had too many tamales in my life, but that's a damn good tamale. The meat's so tender. It has a little bit of pepper to it, but you know, just enough to make it have some good flavor. But man, that was good. Big chunks of pork in there. That was really, really good. Hell, I might go get one. Let me know if you want a drink, babe. No, I said I got these drinks. Here, let's go over here while, you know, do you want to play real quick? Okay. Okay, playtime is over. Now we're back to discover what else is here. Oh, I'm sorry. Why are we here, buddy? Oh, we're here to try to find some dinosaurs in Mexico. Well, in Puerto Vallarta. When we were in Guadalajara, we spent quite a lot of time looking for dinosaurs for him because he loves dinosaurs. Oh.
Put it just in a bottle.
What'd you get? A shampoo soap? Yeah. Oh, my soap's a shampoo soap because I just...
Fart? Oh.
Yeah, I just rub the bar in my head, you know? Hello.
Come va? Aspetta. Tutto bene? Io sono qua al mercatino, visto che ho mandato il video. Io mañana me la practica un poco il
La distancia no se corta, al contrario me envenena y me parte el corazón.
Hola. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
I like that.
¿Cuánto más? Viene, pero con aquella señora decirle que si me dejaba entrar y me dice que ya estaba bien. Y dice, Pablo, ve con un señor que está allá y ya es el que trabaja en el Marsol. Por allá es una tierra y aquí hay, y es la misma gente que hace.
then by the time we leave, I'll see how I feel. And then if I need to, I can come back
Here,
and
you
get more before we go.
said your shoes got a little muddy, so if you want to get a little water.
This way, I don't have to have them ship it. Oh, how beautiful!
Yeah, there's water on both sides. Like this is like a little island where the river split. Yeah. Well, I don't know if it's the same river or two different rivers.
And there's no caffeine. That was my concern. And I just had something to eat, so it should be fine.
Man, I could have a picnic out here.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh, the breeze, the nice sound of the water, the view. This would be my place right here. You know, I'm setting up shop right by that tree. You gotta use the bathroom, buddy? Huh?
Yes.
All right. Oh. Okay, let's look for. He has to use the bathroom because I asked him. All right, always time to stop and smell the roses. Well, flowers. It's beautiful flowers. Always got to take time to take a moment and look at all the beauty of the world, the beauty of Mexico. Okay, so this place has two sides. One side on the right of the freeway and the other side on the left. You wanna go in here, or you wanna go inside?
A mother animal needs to be strong to protect the baby animals. Oh, beautiful. All right, we can put this by this.
Yeah. My shoes are dirty. Oh, how pretty.
Are you looking for something special, amigos?
Oh no, just looking for gifts for my family.
That's
Beautiful.
I love the dresses, so pretty.
I know. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous.
Oh, look at the little baby dresses.
in pesos.
Hola, Colton. What's that on 5 pesos? Mm-hmm. Oh, let's go in here. Because this is a deceptively big shop. I know, because I don't want to turn with my backpack in. Here, baby. Here, I'll stay here with him.
It's just a no. We're not doing that,
Here.
baby. We're gonna be brave. We're gonna come on. Yeah. See, it's just a cat.
Ay,
¿Sí?
pobrecita.
No la quiere niño. The niño don't like it.
See, it's okay.
No like it.
You don't have to worry. Thank you. I'm just looking.
Yeah, she said she'd go down to 900.
You want to eat?
Oh, look at this. Nice awning.
Yeah, but I just know that she's, she would have to have, it's beautiful, and I would like to go myself, but I don't have a reason for it, and she would break it. Sure.
I've never had a combination of I thought I checked her.
She would love it.
Oh, look at the beautiful
Yeah, everybody's there.
Pero eso sí, bien conectados en Match 89.5. Match es acusado de plástico. Y es que ya el pasado 15 de febrero estrenó una nueva canción que se llama Rainy Season, en la cual pues
What's the last thing in my head? Because I'm not used to doing that, right? I'd rather get her that than what she's asking.
Yeah, well, because she wants a box, but to be honest with you, she's limited on space, so I don't know where exactly she would put it.
Yeah. I think she's gonna love that.
Where your pretty black things are? Why you were looking for something?
Oh, t-shirt? When it's dark.
My favorite. The shrimps.
Yeah, there's. Wow, it's
Anything else?
Yes.
Okay, what else?
Hola.
Down there.
Hola, buenas tardes.
I think it was the German Shepherd. What?
People are looking for a dinosaur. I forget that's what we're in.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna look for a money clip.
No black.
Hola, buenas tardes.
¿Algo en especial, amigo?
Money clip?
¿Mini clip?
Gotcha. Money clip.
Y de ahí nos vamos para Capulá. Y hacia Castillo, pero
I can't help myself.
If you want to go in any places, let me know. If you want to go in any places, let me know. San Francisco Giants.
The cup?
See what do you have for Giants?
something for your empty shopping bag.
Okay. It's baseball.
Ojalá, amigo.
Yeah, the base.
Baseball. See.
Okay.
Hola, señor. Welcome.
The base.
How much are the hats? How much are they?
That one is 300.
Okay.
Gigants.
Okay, 300. Okay, so I'll see. Just hold. I may come back and get. Okay.
How much you want? Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna see if they have more. Okay. No,
Plus,
that's
it's kind of in between where we're at. So it's it
Oh,
will
is
be
this the water?
a place to.
Oh, I didn't realize we walked this.
Nosotros tenemos un hijo que
Wow, we didn't even know we were close to the water.
What? How great is that?
Oh my goodness, look at the water. It's beautiful.
Did you know, Mommy?
Did you know we were close to the water?
Mm-hmm.
You know everything.
Well, I just looked at the map. The only reason why I knew.
Oh, okay, now I know which market we're at.
I know I have rings, but that is not.
You got bottles over here. You got. Yeah, I hear something. I hear something humming.
se acerca mucho, se ve que se ve natural.
What about
Beautiful flowers everywhere. Well, how about we can go sit down for a little bit over there? Is that okay? Huh? There's a bench right there.
Pero están chiquitos, ¿no? Bueno, no.
It's like nice here. Oh, they're dancing down there. I see it.
Thing all together and he talked all the way through it. They were doing a whole choreographed little thing, like a breakdance.
The guy that was in there said it wasn't giving out money and was screwing something up, so I'm not even gonna try. And we have pesos for the next couple of days. I mean next couple of hours, so we're good. But you know, here in Puerto Vallarta, you always want to have pays in your pocket because they do not take a lot of cards here. So, you know, we try to maximize the card as much as possible. This is where we walked up yesterday. Here, let me hold your phone, buddy.
Look at them.
Pick up the money. Don't ever put your money down on the floor.
Oh, okay.
There's more of a point to don't put the money on the floor.
Yeah, I just did it so I didn't want it to blow.
Yeah, but yeah, there you go. There you go. All right.
Did you see the bear?